What's going on, guys? It's Dustin, and as you guys know, if you've ever built a truck before, things don't always go quite as they're supposed to. There's some times where things just don't go according to plan, and I think we've all been there before. So today's video, we're actually gonna sit down and outline some of those and go over them. Let's get it. Motherfucker. All right. Okay, I need a 21. 21. Where the f is the 21? All right, time to get started tearing the truck down.
An upper controller and I couldn't even move. Leaf spring bolts?
Nah. What do you mean seized? It's loose.
No, the bolt is seized in the keyway, in the moon. The bolt is stuck in there. This one is the same. No, it won't go anywhere. You can see how it's rounded off.
Oh, sick, my lift kit's here. Let's get it cut open. Into, yup. Sweet, it's all here. Let's get started. All right, so that. What the hell? Where the f are my coilovers? Hello, hi, okay, listen, I know this ad isn't skippable, but I'll be quick, I promise. So, you guys know that we have wheels, tires, suspension, and accessories for your truck, and we know that it's winter time, and it's cold out, right? And that really sucks. However, you guys can get ahead of the curve and start your build for spring right now with low monthly financing options. Plus, we have like 150,000 wheels, tires, and suspension kits in inventory that you guys can get shipped to your door in as little as 7 days. You guys can check all of that out at CustomAssets.com. All right, truck's tore down. Let's put the lift kit in. All right, time to get the wheels and tires mounted. .35s, 12 wides. They should fit pretty easy. Ugh. Where am I gonna put all these tires? Oh, we get it. All right, where? Ah! All right, time to get the wheels on. Should be easy, just jack it up, bolt them on, good as new. Why is this truck so high? We took like 31s off of it. Nope, don't do it. I'm gonna get it. Whew. Holy sh**. We did it. I think I have a hernia now. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. There you have it, guys. There is the expectations versus reality of building your truck. We hope you guys had as much fun with that one as we did. If you have an expectation and a reality that maybe didn't go your way when you built your truck, drop it down in the comments section below. And as always, if you're looking to start your build, check us out, CustomOffsets.com.